Hello, I'm going to now show you how to do a quality check as a demo student. So we're going to go to class list, create demo account. It's going to load up here. We scroll down and here is our demo students. We're going to click the drop down here, impersonate that student. Yes, we want to continue. And from here, we're going to go ahead and enter a discussion post. So communication, discussions. And we're going to enter it in group 1. We'll start a new thread. And subject title. We're going to enter some filler text. And then we're going to post it as this dummy student account. Subject title, and we can see that this student posted it, and there's the filler text. So we're going to go ahead and end our impersonation. And there we go. Just got to click that, and we're back to normal. So down here you can see that post. And we're going to go ahead and go to grades. And we're going to go down to assignment 1. And we're going to enter grades. And from here we can go ahead and enter the grade. We'll go ahead and enter 20 out of 20. And we can save and close. And there we go. Final calculated grade, assignment, all of that is entered there.